Are you enjoying that, you lot? Hey? Is it really good? Are you all going to look at it? Are you? You're going to play with that ball? Oh, it's really good, isn't it? Are you going to come and have a look as well? Wow, is that really good fun? Doesn't take much to keep you lot occupied, does it? Hey? Is that good? I'll leave you to it because you're having fun, aren't you? And you, little rascal, you likes your mousey better, don't you, darling? Hmm? You're alright then? Whoa! You're going to have fun here, aren't you? Hey, I'm so glad I went and got you all, hey? You can have a good time here, can't you? Hey? Oh, you lot, are you still looking under there? Right then. I'll leave you to it for a little while, alright babes?